If you have a Squarespace website and you are selling physical products and you want those physical products to have different shipping rates, we finally have the solution from Squarespace. In the past, I have shared a couple roundabout ways to help you achieve different shipping rates on different products, but now they have given us an actual tool to be able to do this on the back end of our website. It's really easy. It's been around for a minute, but I haven't had a need to look into it until a client asked me to do so today. So I did it. It was so easy. I'm going to walk you through how to do this and give you an example, and you'll be up and running with your different shipping rates in just a few minutes. So when you log into your website, come down here in the left sidebar to settings, and then we're going to scroll down to shipping over also on the left. And first of all, you need to have your shipping options actually set up. So whatever you want those different shipping options to be, set those up right here under shipping options. They can be flat rate or they can be done by weight, which is what I've taught a lot on YouTube. I'm just going to roll with these. I don't currently sell anything on my site, but these are left over from whatever I sold last. So once you have your shipping options set up, scroll down to set up fulfillment profiles. This is the new feature. And we're going to click this button, and it's going to ask us to set up the fulfillment profiles. So I'm going to click add custom profile. And let's say I have a shirt that I want to ship for the flat rate, and I have a sticker that I want to ship for free. So let's start with the free sticker shipping. I'm going to select my free shipping option. I'm going to hit save. And another profile, I'm going to do paid shipping. Okay, so these are really just kind of like recreating and renaming shipping that we already have established, right? But the thing here is once you set these profiles up, I'm going to hit done here. I've got a test product here. Let's see if I can come into edit mode over here, edit. We are going to put what shipping profile we want into the product. So if I come into advanced shipping here, nope, that's what I've taught you before. Where is it? Default profile. Here we go. Now, when you go into your sticker or your t-shirt, you can just say, only show this person or only show customers this specific shipping option. So we finally have an answer. You can set multiple shipping profiles, set your shipping options, and then your profiles, and then come into your products, and you can determine right here under profiles which option is available for this product. And that is it. I'm going to hit save. And that's it. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Thank you, Squarespace, for finally giving us an answer to this problem. Happy selling, happy shipping. I will see you in the next tutorial. This was quick and easy.